I'm Dr. Jessica Black, and I'm glad you're here today because you're important. Today, we're going to talk about what makes some people more likely to develop an addiction, also called a substance use disorder. Now, there are lots of reasons that someone may go on to develop a substance use disorder, and not everyone develops it for the same reasons. So we're going to cover a few common reasons that someone may become addicted to certain drugs, certain substances. So one reason that your loved one may have developed an addiction is stress, or feeling like it's just all too much, having trouble dealing with the bad things that sometimes happen in life. Stress can make you more likely to develop an addiction in two ways. Stress can actually make your body respond to substances differently and make you more likely to become addicted to them. And stress can also make it harder for you to do things to stay healthy, like get good sleep. And if you can't do things to stay healthy, you're more likely to become sick. And a substance use disorder is a sickness. Okay, so there's stress, also biology. Your loved one may have developed an addiction because of biology, or their way that their body and mind are set up. Everyone's body and mind work somewhat differently, is somewhat unique. And some of our bodies and minds are designed in such a way that it makes us more likely to develop an addiction to certain substances. Now, if you want to learn more about the biology of addiction, then I recommend checking out the Addiction Policies video for kids. So take a look at the reasons that your loved one may have developed an addiction. Stress, biology, or stress and biology? None of them have anything to do with you. You cannot make your loved one use drugs, and you cannot make them stop using drugs. You can control your choices though, and you never have to struggle with an addiction. In the next video, we're going to talk about some ways how you can do just that. In the meantime, remember, it is not your fault that your loved one has an addiction. You are not alone. There are many other kids that have similar problems in their families. And you already have everything inside of you that you need to build a more peaceful and happy future.